Hey everyone, welcome back. We are playing Train Sim World 2. And today we're doing East Busway train here today. And we're playing Train Sim World 2. And today it's a really cool day. So my vlog today is my we're not doing this today because it's boring. I want to do the train journeys today. I'll be driving the timetable. I'm a bit on foot today. Let's do the east from. Do I want to do this one today? Should I do this one today or this? I'm going for this one. Yeah, let's get a train today and let's get going for the train video today. I think our train is right there on. Let's see what's the next train comes today. Line 13. I'm gonna go to Brighton. I'm gonna go to Brighton to see Seaford. I'm gonna go to Seaford train service. On foot. About that. 9 o'clock. Let's go to Brighton. Video. It's simple, just making a train video today. Don't know why it's a Thomas the Tank Engine, because Train Sim World 6 is out now, but it looks the coolest thing in the Thomas the Tank Engine. But what train what train were we driving today? Should we drive? That's got a long. Walker, we're not going there. Seaford, I think there's this train today. And let's get to rolling. I'm gonna hop onto this train station here because it goes to Seaford. Yeah, this is a almost hour train, so we are at Brighton train station today, and guess what? Let's do a little bit of train spotting. Okay, let's do a bit of more train spotting. So, our video today is train spotting, and that train is the longest train, so we are at Brighton Station. Oh, that's why my train's coming down. That train's moving, so today that train's moving. Yeah, that's going to the station. And that train's now going to the depart to either there. No, the corner's that side. And today we are doing train spotting. That's what I'm doing now. Let's hop on the train station. Hopefully this is one going. I hope it is. It's all about trains going down there, the corners. Oh, this one's going. Leave in a comment, what is this train going to, this one is. I know we've been down that way, so I'm hoping this train will go in a minute. So yeah, let's charge my phone because it's getting low. So we need to go on this train station. 25 miles per hour. And today this full train will go in when it goes. Now that train down there, it's carrying 12 coaches train service. And it's going, we've got a green signal for that train to go. Hopefully he will go. So today is a quite good Brighton station. It's a really busy train station. It's class 377's trains going to London Victoria or something. Leave in the comments what train this is going to. It's going to London Victoria. Leave in the comments what's your favourite train, if you like the underground trains or the south eastern trains. Do you know these trains used to go to London Waterloo and Southampton Central, and Portsmouth, and yeah, it's quite a lot of trains that's those running for this video today. And this one's going because we at Brighton Station. Well, a little bit of train spotting today. It's 9:06 now. We're about to be. Hopefully, this train will go. No. I'm going to the platform 1 to get the train. Hopefully, this train will move. Or just been sitting there for like. I see any more trains coming. No, not so far today. That train over there. That one will be leaving because that's going to Eastleigh. And that train's going to be departing any minute. Don't know. Well, at 25 miles per hour, I'm gonna go to this train station here. I don't know where that goes to, but I'll go down there. Look how big this map is. It leads like to two directions. I'm guessing this train will go. Yeah, this is my trains are going to somewhere. So let's get on my trains today. So I do one-handed, so I have to put my phone down and we.
For your safety and comfort, this station operates a no smoking policy. This includes using
Let's open the doors. Open that. Open that. Now let's hop onto my train. Now start to begin. We'll open the windows because we need air in. So let's do the toot the horn. And there we go. So now Let's put the train on forward. That's what the train we need to do. Now we are train now set. The doors are already open, so we are departing service. Oh, another train came today, so let's do the toot the horn today. Get some tones. And this train will. Oh yeah, this is my train today, this ride today. Oh yeah, I need to put some light. Wait, this is Brighton, so I know put my lights. Day running. There we are. Day running. Train's now leaving the station today. We got a red signal, so we're going quite shortly for the train video. It's easier to do this, because why not? I'm using my controller today, so I'm not using a PC. Because I don't have a PC, because I have used a PlayStation 4 today. Let's do the toot the horn on the station. And yeah, the lovely interior this train is. And there's a seat there. Goes down. Yeah, this is a signal thing today and today. And this is our signal. Yeah, this is where the train goes somewhere. And this is the blinds that with the train. If you can't see anything, so we put that thing there, and the washer, the wipers. We are for train service today. We are going at 9:20. We're leaving today. So yeah, this is our longest train journey today. So. Oh, that train is now departing to out of service today. The class 377s is now departing the station. And how many passengers we got on board today? It's now a Brighton station, but it's going to change. I think all these passengers now waiting for the train to as it departs the train service. Oh yeah, it needs to change the lights. Let's hop off. Let's get on that train. Either running to the train and turn the lights off, then we are departing. Only moment, so let's open the doors. Windows open. Close the doors. Open the windows. Lights off. Tail lights. It's so hard that I'm doing one-handed, so I use my chin to do it. Tail lights is on, so our tail lights is not on. Excuse me, sorry. This is Train Sim World 2. This is really old games train service. Anyways, well, wait till the train is departing. I better break someone, cause why not? Let's do the toot the horn. Ready for the toot the horn. Now it's going to be 9:19 soon, so hopefully we get set off shortly. Yeah, this is me, Vinny Watts, Car Show Scooby Doo van. Like to subscribe to my channel. If leave a comment, what's your favourite train in Train Sim World 2 game? I like the class 377's train, this one here. Because it goes to Brighton service and Southampton Central. I like Southampton Central. Now we are starting at 9. Look at the time here. And look. This is our train. I love the details on this train. We are now loading for the train to departing. So, I'll put the things now. We go get the clothes when the train will depart. Yeah, this train is actually quite good train to. Let's do the toot the horn. I love the details in this train. So let's go Brighton. A class 443s. Love these trains. Let's do the closing. For the ready for the depart. Let's get the train into brakes off. No, start to heading. Now we are moving. Do the toot the horn when we're leaving the station. We are very early, so we driving right now. Yeah, we changed points now. We're going to platform 1 or platform 2. I get picked up speed now. Yeah, now sit, relax, and watch your popcorn or eat your snacks and your drinks. It's because it's a long video today. Now we're on the next station today now. We're at London Road. I put a little bit brake, so this is what I need to slow down. Because we're approaching the station now. Do the toot the horn now. We're going to close the doors right now. Yeah, we left doors are now closing. Now we're inside the tunnel, now we're out. Let's do the toot the horn and another train coming. Yeah, our train is now going to 15 miles per hour. Not that they're really the fastest. This train goes like 200 or something miles per hour, but don't know if my brakes are off, but oh yeah, I need to slow down. We are approaching another station now. Yeah, because this train is like a small platform. This train is. So we're about to leave, and I'll do the whistle first. Look how early we are. Now we driving now to. Let's check my map today. Well, we're there now, so. Now we're speeding up now. There's a maximum 75, so. I love the sound effects on this train. And there's the brakes like screeching. We're very early, so. I bet 70 or 79. I put a little bit of brakes because we're now approaching another station now. Yeah, our train's about to leave any minute. And see you in the next video.